Hey everyone, Brandon from Goalorious, where we focus on goals, gains, and giveaways. Today we're talking about STREAMR, a brand new project I recently discovered and want to talk about to you guys today. As always, this is not financial advice, this is not investing strategy. Please do your own research when it comes to any projects that we talk about. But STREAMR is an awesome new project. It's a decentralized platform for real-time data. They've gotten a lot of great press from Forbes, TechCrunch, BBC, the list goes on. I think they're an awesome project. Today we're going to be talking about what STREAMR is, why you should use STREAMR. They have a bunch of great case studies, which I'm going to review some of them today. And yeah, just everything going on with this project. And we'll also talk about the data token, which is the ERC token used on the STREAMR platform. But I'm super excited to talk about STREAMR today, so let's jump into the video. STREAMR is building infrastructure for real-time data. The STREAMR network is a middleware solution to be leveraged by any decentralized application, such as 3.0 applications or blockchain networks as infrastructure. But unlike some people think, STREAMR is not a blockchain. It is a decentralized P2P network for real-time data, and therefore much faster than a blockchain. When building on STREAMR, DApp developers no longer have to rely on centralized services like AWS or Microsoft Azure for message transport. The network serves as a seamless plug-and-play solution that connects to the data economy. There are probably thousands of potential use cases for the STREAMR network. If you look at who they are competing with, like Microsoft Azure or AWS, they too have so many different customers who are leveraging their infrastructure. STREAMR protocol is built for any type of real-time data. So some future applications, for example, any social media app, like Instagram, or a chat app like WhatsApp, is connected to your Ethereum address. They've been experimenting with live video streaming over the STREAMR protocol, but the machine data use cases have been much easier to start with as they take less bandwidth. It is a centralized way to share and trade data, meaning it's more secure and robust and faster than a centralized system such as Amazon Web Services. It's a peer-to-peer network, not a blockchain network, however it works in companion with blockchain networks. The network is a decentralized topic-based publish-subscribe system. Each stream or pub-sub topic has its own peer-to-peer over network that is built and maintained by a set of BitTorrent-like trackers. The project also has the utility token, DATA, an ERC20 token, currently trading on major exchanges. The token will power the tokenomics mechanism on the STREAMR network. Right now, the network is at Brubeck milestone, which is a stage of development that is bringing it closer to full decentralization. Over the next few weeks, they will be running several STREAMR testnets. Once that phase has been completed, they will launch the mainnet through the current Brubeck milestone. That release is feature complete for the data transporting itself. After all that, they'll be working on their next milestone called Tatum, which means they'll start introducing token economics to the network. Right now, the current Brubeck milestone, developers or anyone with some knowledge of coding contribute their idle bandwidth and run a node in the STREAMR network to earn rewards. There are 2 million data tokens up for grabs. There are already 4,000 people all over the world currently running nodes and contributing their bandwidth to the STREAMR network. Nodes all over the world can be seen in the Stream Network Explorer at stream.network/network explorer. I'll put the link in the description. The STREAMR technology works in tandem with current blockchains, Ethereum and XDAI chain, which are used for identity, security, and payments. So the company's mission is to build an open source peer-to-peer network and help build new data economy. The STREAMR network offers security and trust that's unparalleled compared to centralized networks and transports data to thousands of subscribers in under 400 milliseconds globally. Businesses and developers and ordinary people unlock the value of real-time data. Ordinary people can now earn money from their data. So this is their website, streamr.network, and like I mentioned, their Brubeck test starts in 6 days, 15 hours, 35 minutes, 18 seconds from when I record this video. So definitely check out the latest if you want to keep updated on that. Like I said, they are featured on Forbes, TechCrunch, BBC, even Decrypt, CoinDesk, Yahoo Finance, and a lot of these are literally just talking about how great of an idea this is and how helpful this could be. Monetizing computing resources on the blockchain. Again, this isn't something that's done before, so just getting this type of exposure is great for this project. And they give some reasons why you should use STREAMR. So one of my favorite parts of this website is actually showing STREAMR in use. And I thought this case study, especially the one called Tracy, the partnership between the Worldwide Fund for Nature in the Philippines, Unibank, and STREAMR's consultant partner TX is working on Tracy, an app for fishermen that will use blockchain for documenting and verifying catch and traceable data. The Provide data can then be used by financial institutions such as Union Bank to conduct credit assessments to be able to provide market loans to the fishermen. So I think this is great because they were verifying their catch data by literally writing on a piece of paper and then trying to pass that information. By having this information be digital and easily accessible, greatly changed how they're able to work. And I just thought it was a great story and something you guys should definitely check out. And it was really important. Another cool use case was this of Swash. A browser extension called Swash has become the world's first digital data union. It was introduced at MozFest in London in October 2019. It allowed users to capture their browsing data and then sell it in real time via data union on the data marketplace with one-to-many marketplace enabled by STREAMR's monoplasm technology. So I thought this was a great video as well, and something definitely to check out. They also have information on their token, the data token, and the current price and the current market cap, but it's actually listed on CoinMarketCap. You guys want to check it out. And, this is a huge market cap, guys. It's 96 million. Again, there's a lot of excitement, a lot of people who are into this project, a lot of people that, are just excited about everything and the possibilities. And so definitely check this out. Obviously do your own research, but I do think if you take a look at it and actually the use case of the data token, I think it's really important. Obviously they've got a great symbol with data. Yeah, like I said, all those use cases that I talk about, all the things that are coming in your future, all the things where we talk about utility a lot on this channel. And obviously we talk about this project that has a ton of utility, but also I think enabling the developers to create utility for this project, I think is there's just a ton of opportunity. And I think this project has a very high ceiling, if no ceiling at all. So here's the STREAMR network, and there's 4,991 nodes, and it's kind of crazy. I feel like no matter where you live, there is probably a node next to you, and you could actually click on any of them. I just picked a random one, and you could see the address, and they each give them a random 3-word name so that you could easily identify them if you're talking about which node. So yeah, I think it's great to see how much of them are already out there, and it's literally it's a global thing, right? And I think it's awesome. I feel like every day I'm checking this, more and more people are adding to this, and you could actually see within 24 hours, 1 month, 3 months. So definitely interesting. So if no matter where you are, I'm sure there's one next to you. It's probably fun to check it out, what's near where you live. Here we are on their Twitter account. They have 53,000 followers. It's a great place to get resources, a great place to get updates on everything going on. They just have a huge community, a lot of people that are, so even if they're not developers on this project, they're just investors. They really believe everything this project is doing. They even have some of the developers like Jonathan Wolf talking at events and things like that. So they're definitely putting themselves out there and helping spread the word and answer questions, etc. Bitfavo recently listed data. Again, this is getting a lot of excitement. That's being listed literally everywhere. They're giving updates on their Bruback testnet, literally everything. There's some people excited. It says one of the green nodes of the STREAMR network. My Raspberry Pi is running with max 10 watts to secure bandwidth to the network and earn some data rewards as well. So remember, we were looking at the nodes, and so this guy is literally sharing a screenshot of his setup. There's no comparison to classical mining anymore. Decentralized is on its most simple way. Bruback testnet contest. So yeah, there's also, like I said, they're running this contest, and you can learn more about this on the platform. But yeah, it's kind of exciting to see people post images of their setups, etc. So again, check it out if you guys are trying to learn how to do this, or you're experts already. Twitter is a great place to see how people are doing. Most green node, yes, this is 7 watt. I mean, that's pretty impressive. 7 watt of STREAMR, most green test. And this is literally it. This tiny picture of this, that's a tablet, doesn't even need a computer. The biggest thing on here is the keyboard and probably the mouse. But yeah, so definitely check out their Twitter account. It's a great place. They're telling people to follow them on Discord, etc. I was actually going to comment on this earlier. I was like, oh, what is this node in the middle of nowhere? And it says, it's a tough choice, but congrats to August Meme. The month award to go Discord user SH for going extra mile for just centralization entry. But yeah, I saw this on, I don't know if maybe it is on a cruise ship, but who knows? It's definitely out there somewhere. But again, if you saw these setups, it's pretty minimal. So possibilities are endless.